Very well, here we are again, and this opportunity is for the installation of this tub. You will see how simple it is. Here we have the place where the tub will be installed. In that place, here a separate shower, here a toilet, and here the lavatory. We are going to relocate this key because it is bad in this place. Then I'll explain how this whirlpool tub works. Here we have the tub and its engine that comes attached. The two installations that we must do are the outlet with ground connection and the drain. Here, do not forget to put a trap to prevent bad smells from leaving the environment. Here we have an accessory that comes separately. It is purchased separately. It comes with the overflow valve and the drain valve. The important thing that you should also consider is this height here so that you can install the mixer key at its proper height. This height is 40 centimeters, the width is 80, and the length is 150 centimeters of this type of tubs. Now how is it working? What should be done to make it work is to fill it with water that is cold, hot or warm. The water is filled, and what the motor on the electric pump does is to circulate that water, takes it by this point and ejects it by the jets, also expelling the bubbles. That is the operation of this whirlpool tub. Easy, no? Now let's see the hot water system. Okay. The hot water system works in this way. Here we have a therma. In this case we put an 80 liter. This will always require a power outlet with grounding. And here comes the cold water, enters the hot water and comes out. If here goes to the rest of the bathroom. Here we have the mixer key for the tub, which has 3 knobs. This is to control the hot water. It is for the cold water. Now the middle is to control the exit of the mixed water. Either by the shower or by this peak, or both at the same time. This is the key to the medium. All right. Also simple, no? Very good. Here we have the mixer key for our tub. This is the knob for the hot water. This goes out like this. Here is going to enter the hot water, cold water. Here goes to the shower. Here comes the parabeak. All this we are going to install with universal unions so that when it is necessary to extract them, they are easier. Now these are disassembled like this to keep all these chrome knobs until after the plating, otherwise they can be damaged. So to avoid the damage during the veneer works, all this must be removed and stored. This is extracted well. It has a good margin so that it can be placed after the veneer. All right. This comes in this way, then we must protect them to avoid getting dirty or damaged during the final works. Here we have the mixer key for the shower that goes to the side of the tub. It has only 2 keys, and this is the entrance of the cold water and hot water, which we will also install with these universal here, here and here. Then we're seeing ourselves in the second part.